strong.
So Destiny and I were just sitting around in my kitchen and she goes, have you tried a pineapple daiquiri? And I go, no, why would I do that? I like normal rum flavored daiquiris. And she goes, you should try pineapple flavored daiquiri. Okay, but I have 2 different pineapple flavored rums. And she goes, well, the one that I love is the plantation. And I go, but have you ever tried the Dr. Bird? And she goes, no. And I go, well, instead of just trying it, why don't we have a DAC off? I've already poured rums in here. This will be a bit of a blind taste test. I think I should just make the rest of the cocktails. The rum color is super distinct from rum to rum. So I want to try and keep it as anonymous as possible. But I'd love to bring onto the show my good friend, Miss Destinee DeVille. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Here I am.
Here you are. Okay, don't look in here.
Okay.
So I have to make the rest of the daiquiris. The rum's in there already.
Okay.
For 2 drinks. So there's 4 ounces of rum in each one. We're gonna drink 4 daiquiris. I know.
Sounds like my kind of night.
But you were telling me that you really enjoy pineapple daiquiris.
Yeah, it's my favorite drink. It's my go-to, if you will.
And if it wasn't for 2 incredible brands, Plantation and Dr. Bird, creating like pineapple rums, I'd be like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like if it was like a Captain Morgan's pineapple or something.
Never Captain Morgan.
Okay, can you cut a lime in half, please?
Yes. Am I doing the lime?
No.
Okay.
We're just gonna go
Okay.
for it. Don't cut your nails off.
Cutting lime.
So each one of these daiquiris is going to have 1 ounce of lime juice. So we need 2 ounces per tin, right?
Yes.
That is 1 ounce. So
Another lime?
yes, please.
Lime.
You don't need to say what it is every time.
Lime.
2 more limes, please.
Another 2 more.
Yeah,
Is it a lime per drink?
he kind of is.
Okay.
1 ounce of lime juice.
So 1 ounce of lime juice equals 1 lime.
Pretty much, yeah. And actually, that's the way the Trader Vic used to measure
there
his cocktails.
Yes, there is.
Did you hear what I'm saying?
No.
Trader Vic, he'd say juice of 1 lime. Because usually a lime is about 1 ounce of lime juice.
If it's a good lime. Yeah.
But yeah, if it's like early in the season, it's too hard, you almost get no juice. So it's kind of a bad way to do it, to be honest.
I'm just kind of winging it at that point.
Kind of winging it.
Okay, final lime.
Mhm.
Here we go. Good enough.
Are you excited about the DAC off?
Yeah. Well, actually, I've never had this one. But
Yeah.
my favorite, so we'll see if I can tell which is which.
I did a giant episode with Tiffany where we tasted daiquiris.
Okay.
Tiffany doesn't really like daiquiris. Probably
So she hated them all.
more or less, yeah.
Ugh. Oh, ooh. Oh God. It's pretty strong.
It is pretty strong,
Oh.
but you really like daiquiris.
Yeah, love daiquiris.
Okay, so there's the other 2 ounces, 2 ounces. Okay, and then we're gonna do 3/4 ounce of simple syrup in each one. So that's 1.5 ounces, right? 3/4, 3/4.
Sure.
You know how I do that?
No.
I go 3/4, 3/4, and then that's like 1, and then that's 1/2. If these are all 25 cents.
Okay. I'll have to process that
Yeah.
a little later.
You might have
You'll
to
have to teach me that again.
You might have to sleep on that.
Yes.
Okay, so there are the 2
Yes.
daiquiris.
4 daiquiris.
4 daiquiris.
Okay.
2 different flavors. Okay.
Well, not flavors. Rums.
That's a flavor.
Same flavor. They're both pineapple.
Oh, touche. Put some ice in here. Should we shake them at the same time?
Yes. A shake off, if you will.
A shake
A
off.
shake off.
Who's gonna win the shake off?
Me.
Mention in the comments
Duh.
below. You can vote in the comments below who shakes it better.
Me. Obviously.
Okay, and then pour it into your thing there. Okay. And shake.
Shake off. Are we still shaking?
I don't know. You gonna stop?
I don't know. I think so.
Maybe you should stop.
You stop first.
No, you stop.
No. Never. Did I get one?
Oh my god.
Wait, okay. Why is it making that sound?
It's fizzing. Oh my god.
You're gonna have to... Hello?
Okay, vote in the comments below who you thought shook it better.
Me. Okay,
It's
but I
not
can't
fair.
win.
I don't have...
Heart titties.
Oh my god.
I win.
Okay, let me strain these into here. And then I'm gonna go rinse the strainer real quick so it's not contaminated.
Smart.
Thank you.
That's a good color.
Thank you. Wow, those are big daiquiris. We're just gonna drink 4 of these real quick.
That's fine. Real quick.
Okay, let me rinse this off real quick.
I want the shake off. For sure.
You wanna pour yours?
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna see if there's a color difference. Ooh, a little bit lighter. Okay. Very nice technique here. Do you double strain at home?
Yeah. Well, I try to, unless I'm lazy.
Lazy.
Well, sometimes, you know, you're just gonna have a drink.
Well, at that point, why don't you just put the bottle down your throat?
Okay. Is that good? Oh,
Well, you still got some in the net there.
it's like, this one is being hard to strain. Look at that.
You can tap the side with your shaker. There you go.
Does that help you?
Yeah.
Now this one. That's more.
And now begins the great DAC off. Wait. Get serious.
Okay.
And now we begin the great pineapple DAC off.
Da-da-da. Theme and cue music.
Okay, these are yours.
Okay.
Okay, these are mine.
Are we gonna try the same one at the same time?
Yeah. We'll
So-
just start from the left. Cheers.
Let's smell it.
Okay. There is a like a
Smells good.
hint of pineapple. No?
Yeah. Not as pineapple-y, I say. Would think by the color though.
True.
Okay. Are we trying it?
Let's try it.
Okay.
That's really
Good.
good. It's really good. It tastes sweeter than a normal daiquiri. Normal daiquiri is like a little more dry.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I feel like.
It's really
I
good.
know, like, I feel
Oh
like.
my gosh. Well, okay, are you ready to try the next one? She's like, oh, I want to just drink this thing.
Okay. Like clear the palate. Where's bread? You
Bread.
know, bread clears the palate. Or like a cracker? You got the good bread.
Tear off a piece of that. You like sourdough?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Palate cleanser. If you try this at home, do what we're doing.
It's pretty good bread.
It's good bread.
Really good. Could use some butter. Maybe some oil. Vinegar.
Or balsamic.
Yeah. Okay. Wait, this isn't a bread off.
It could be. Maybe next time.
Okay, the next one.
right.
Smell this one.
I'm still eating my bread.
You can still smell it, right?
I guess.
This daiquiri smells like sourdough.
Oh, no, it smells so good.
Oh, I already know what this is.
This smells so good.
Yeah, this is already on the scent. It's more complex. Dude, I know exactly what this is.
Do
Cheers.
you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's see how it tastes though.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what it is too. Has to be.
Okay.
Yeah, funky. Funky.
This is not as easy of a daiquiri to drink.
No. This is my home drink.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
This is my go-to because it's easy. This one's good though.
It's really,
It's really good.
This is a cocktail drinker's daiquiri.
No, this is really good. But I can tell this is gonna get me drunk. You can like taste it. Not a sipper.
Yeah.
Buddy, what are you doing down there?
Sparky.
Okay, wait. Now I need to.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's see. See, this is like clean.
Yeah.
It's an easy drink.
It's an easy drink.
This is definitely more complex.
Yeah, I think
But I like both.
these are almost two different drinkers here.
for sure.
Um,
Everyone can drink this one.
Absolutely, yeah. And I think that you would find that to be super delicious.
Yeah.
I might honestly go for this one just because I think it's like a little more interesting.
This is also more of a sipping drink versus this I can chug it. Which I do at home.
Okay, you want to tell everybody which one's which?
Okay, so this
Why don't
is
you move the bottle over?
the first one,
Mm-hmm.
definitely plantation.
Mm-hmm.
For sure. And then our B drink, we got Dr. Bird.
Yeah.
Has to be.
Yeah. Both very delicious.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit less of a guessing game than we thought it'd be. Like
We're too skilled for this.
way too skilled. Yeah.
Cheers.
Mm.
Yeah, and I'm taking this one. Yes. This one is better. As you can see.
Yeah, she's on her second and she's still mine. So now I'm drinking 2 Dr. Birds. And it's very good. It's not easy.
It's a stiffer drink. I feel like this is so much easier to drink. That one is like to the neck.
Yeah. Okay, so that's 40.
Like a ba-bam to the throat. You know?
That's 40% alcohol. This one's 57% alcohol.
Yeah, that makes
This
more
is
sense.
the stiffer situation over here.
Stiff. Told you. This is a daiquiri. This is like the daiquiri, in my opinion.
Wait, the daiquiri?
This is like my go-to. Yes.
What about the Breezeway blend daiquiri?
Okay, that one's great. But this one's my go-to.
You're off the show.
No,
Sorry.
you love me.
I appreciate you tuning in. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. And if you don't hit that subscribe button,
Not again. Yeah, I'm already done with this.
oh my god.